Filipino TFWs, know your rights in Canada. Hello to all my friends and kababayan watching. If you're a Filipino temporary foreign worker in Canada, and after watching this video, you think your rights have been violated, you're probably eligible for an open work permit. Contact Mark Benito Immigration for a consultation to find out. Today, I'm here to help you understand the rights you have while working in Canada and how to protect yourself. The Temporary Foreign Worker Program allows Filipinos and other foreign nationals to work in Canada for specific employers. Many Filipinos come to Canada to work in caregiving, agriculture, or hospitality. Although you're here temporarily, you still have strong rights as a worker. Let's talk about what those rights are. As a Filipino worker in Canada, you have the right to fair wages, a safe workplace, and protection from abuse. In every province, there are minimum wage laws, and your employer must pay you fairly for the hours you work. You are also entitled to overtime pay, rest breaks, and holiday pay. Importantly, your workplace must be safe and free from health hazards. Your employer has specific responsibilities. They must give you a clear contract that shows your wage, duties, and benefits. They are not allowed to charge you for recruitment fees or make you pay for your work permit processing. And if your contract includes housing, it must be safe and clean. Recognizing signs of exploitation. Sadly, some Filipino workers experience exploitation. It's important to know the signs. If your employer is withholding your pay, asking you to work too many hours, or threatening you in any way, these are violations of your rights. In Canada, labor trafficking and worker exploitation are serious issues, and you have the right to report them. Right to legal counsel when dealing with employers, CIC, and immigration officers. As a Filipino worker in Canada, you have the right to seek legal counsel or representation, whether you're dealing with your employer, immigration, refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, or even an immigration officer. If you're questioned by an immigration officer, especially in more formal situations, you have the right to consult with a lawyer, immigration consultant, or authorized representative before or after. Having the support ensures that your rights are protected and that you're not navigating these issues alone. Staying safe and informed as a Filipino worker. As a Filipino worker in Canada, it's important to keep copies of your contracts, pay stubs, and work permits. Don't be afraid to ask questions if something doesn't seem right. You can also reach out to Filipino organizations or community groups for support, like Migrante or other advocacy groups. To my fellow Filipinos working in Canada, make sure you know your rights. Protect yourself and don't hesitate to seek help if something feels wrong. For more tips on immigration and life in Canada, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. And if you think your rights have been violated, contact me for a consultation to find out if you're eligible for an open work permit.